Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Silakan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Habib, and today I will explain what is the object storage service exactly in Alibaba Cloud. Nah, before we starting to the object storage service discussion, I will talk about object storage. Now, object storage is storage which data can be stored and it's represented by key, and each key maps to a particular location within the object storage system, and there are a key value that mapping object names the object location within the object storage, and it 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 very different with the traditional storage. That's uh the group by uh storage or like a locker key. And next is the object service. Object storage service is a encryption and secure cloud storage service that can let you store, process, and access massive amounts of data from anywhere in the world, as long as is in the Alibaba cloud. And this kind of cloud storage service have many advantages that that you can have, that you can feel it, like the massive volume of storage is to scale the capacities, current security, large availability, and it depends on usage. Uh, it's it refers to price. Next is advantage object storage service. Now, one first is scalability. Object storage have massive volume, which each single bucket can store until 50 terabytes. Anything number of objects to store it not a problem to object service. Next, second is simplicity. REST API to accessibility from anywhere as long as the internet. Flexibility varying object size until 48 8.8 terabyte. And it's contain 3 different way to upload data. Now next, the service as you wish, and you can monitoring your storage from anywhere. Third is security. Now, security is already protected by multi-layer protection, and it make the security is more safe than others, and it have anti-DDoS, and it have multi-layer isolation and compression logs to help you to trace anything types of malicious access to your website. And fourth is availability. Two different physical servers attached to different network switch with 99.999 data reliability, and almost 100 service availability. Expansion service anything easily to use, and automatic failover with cross-region application. Next is inclusiveness. Integration with other cloud service, and can easily to integration with third-party application that open. Next is object storage service concepts. It's a concept. Object storage service please. In general. Nah, first is an object is a monoretal entity. So the object is a fundamental entity that store in within in an OSS bucket in Alibaba store. Three parts of buckets, three parts of object in bucket. What is key in is a unique object name like file name in the computer or the phone. Next is data is the user content that want to store it, and that is metadata. It is represented the object attributes like the uh, size of object or the date of that data is created or anything. Next is data portion is opaque to access, and the size of object depends on the upload methods. That's to the way to upload is Box is multi-part upload. It supports object up to 48.8 terabytes and single objects still in traditional update method that make the object size limited to 5 gigabytes. So to be aware to what the upload method you use. Next is bucket. Bucket is bucket. A bucket bucket is the media where the object must be kept in bucket, and the bucket name is globally unique in OSS and cannot be changed. There is no limit on the number of objects in its bucket. An application can have one more bucket. Organize the user's namespace at the high levels, play a role in access control, and serve as the unit of aggregation for user reporting. Next is key. Nah, key is the identifier to each object, like the previous. And then the combination of bucket and key as object in the identifier, and every object in the bucket only has one key, not more. Now, this is a example of the names website name. Is a protocol, bucket name, bucket endpoint or access point, and object name key. Now object key is makes 1024 UTF-8 and it has unique within the bucket and it got pet prefix. This is the example, and then it's a data structure. It's the data structure of USS. The bucket and bucket have object and have key, data, and meta, and more, and the others. Now, next is the concept to back to origin and redirection. Now, client is request for data, and an object then is if object was accessed that the system requests resource from the source URL, and if it writes data to access and copy it and then return data to client. Next is the redirection. It request for source and then return the directory location, and then request source resource from the redirect location and return request resource. And then is image processing that have feature massive capacities, high security, low cost, and high reliability. Image processing can be used anywhere, anytime, on any internet device through a simple RESTful API. Nah, is image, a new image, and it can converting image format, scaling, cropping, encoded image, add text and or image watermarks, and apply coloring effects. Nah, it's the access method. And then is the static safe website of object storage system. Nah, the static object website, it is you can host your entire static website on USS for a low cost, highly available hosting solution that can scale automatically to handle any load. And then with USS you can reliability serve your traffic and handle unexpected peaks without worrying about scaling your infrastructure or managing server. And in the setting and the domain name binding. Next is the monitoring. Monitoring site key metric via cloud monitor. So you can monitor anywhere where your website. And that's cloud monitor. The cloud monitor is a dashboard display both overall statistics and stat for individual bucket. Now it's a service shorter of USS. It has HTTPS endpoint that make it safe as a normal and the standard in the website. Next is access and control, bucket and object level SQL bucket policy. Then is server-side encryption and identify authentication. Then is the last. Thank you for the time to listen my presentation. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.